Okay, so we started. Om Ajnanatirasya Jnanachakshalatir Chakshurudilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Gadamaya Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Yuta Padikalam Sri Guru Vaishnava Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sangara Raghunathavitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Varjana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Pada Sadgurunamita Sri Visakhanvitanscha Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Vishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pacharane Nirvishesa Santivadi Paschatya Deshatarane Namo Mahadevaya Krishna Prema Pradamyate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaurati Se Namah Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopikanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapta Kanchana Gauraki Sri Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrisubhanusuti Devi Pranamami Hari Priya Vancha Kalputarubhyascha Vipasindhubhya Bhaktana Pavnevyo Vaishnavevyo Namo Namah Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Sri Vasadi Gaurav Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Alright, so इस पे याद है कहाँ पे थे वो तो मुझसे पूछ लिया था अभी गुड जॉब ओके सो वी विल 25th ठीक तो अभी तक हमने क्या क्या कवर किया है वी कवर्ड प्रिपरेशन ऑफ वॉर ठीक है वॉर में क्या क्या सब देखते हैं कि कौन कौन सी सेना है क्या तो वहां पे अर्जुन देख सॉरी युधिष्ठिर देखते हैं कि कौन कौन अर्जुन के पांडवों के साइड है कौन हमारे साइड है वहां पे प्रिपरेशन ऑफ वॉर सारी चीजें देखते हैं देन साइंस ऑफ विक्ट्री फिर वी सॉ कि क्या क्या साइंस है क्या क्या दिख रहे हैं कौन कौन से साइंस दिख रहे हैं कि विक्ट्री इज फ्रॉम पांडव साइड जैसे क्या क्या एक एक दो चीजें किसी को याद है? भगवान श्री कृष्ण सबसे बड़ा साइन, देयर कैन नॉट बी एनी बिगर साइन दैन दैट। और कुछ? धर्म के साथ में, ठीक है, धर्म क्षेत्र गुरु क्षेत्र। और एक अर्जुन का नाम, दैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ साइंस ऑफ विक्ट्री। पांडव, पार्थ, पार्थ, धनंजय, पार्थ, ये साइंस ऑफ विक्ट्री नहीं है, बट दीस आर द नेम्स। बट साइंस ऑफ विक्ट्री एक बहुत पर्टिकुलर वो हमने कभी सोचे, राइट, कि जहां भगवान राम और हनुमान हो, भगवान कृष्ण और हनुमान हो, विक्ट्री इज सर्टेन, राइट। तो साइंस ऑफ विक्ट्री हमने देखा फॉर पांडवास। देन we are at this section, Krishna as a Bhakta Vatsal, right? So last time what we discussed that अब भगवान यहाँ पे मतलब अर्जुन भगवान को कृष्ण को बोलते हैं as who is his charioteer as a Bhakta Vatsal कि to move the run in between both armies where he can see who have come to fight, right? फिर हमने लास्ट टाइम ये देखा था कि one should not accept only those, one should accept only those things which are his quota, right? We had around half an hour discussion on that, बहुत सारा लंबा चौड़ा discussion हुआ था। And we should know कि all the things which are मतलब सभी कुछ भगवान से emanate हो रहा है, everything is coming from God and it all belongs to God. He is the only owner and proprietor of all these things, right? So हमने ये डिस्कस किया था कि क्या श्री उपनिषद का वर्स, एंड देन वी केम टू द पॉइंट कि जहाँ पे भगवान रथ को ले जाके ऐसी जगह खड़ा करते हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ भीष्म एंड द्रोण, ठीक, to provoke the feelings from Arjun. Right. We discussed why he does that, what was the reason for him doing this thing, right? And yes, this one is the one okay, where he put his wrath in front of, and then he said, Bhagwan said, just behold Partha, all the Kurus are assembled here. यहाँ पे पार्थ नाम आता है, we discussed why he is called Parth, right? Son of Pritha. So अब यहाँ पे उस पॉइंट पे है जहाँ पे भगवान अब धीरे धीरे सिनेरियो बना रहे, इज मेकिंग अ सिनेरियो कि अब उपदेश देना, ठीक, अर्जुन being eternal servant of God, he forgets कि I'm not this body, I'm the soul, right? And भगवान भी वहां पे ऐसे सिनेरियो बना रहे धीरे धीरे कि देखो मतलब he put the chariot just in front of Bhishma and Drona just to evoke this reaction from him, कि उनके अंदर से एक रिएक्शन आए कि क्या क्या फीलिंग्स आने के लिए कि आप मेरे गुरु, ठीक, मेरे पितामह मुझसे लड़ने के लिए आए, ठीक। तो वहां पे अब आगे भगवान और ऐसी चीजें करेंगे, फिर ऐसे जस्ट बिहोल्ड पार्थ, और देखो कि सारे सारे कौरव वहां पे असेंबल है, सारे के सारे तुम्हारे कौन कौन से लोग, वो हम नेक्स्ट वर्स में देखेंगे, ठीक। तो वी डिस्कस टिल हियर, देन वी स्टार्ट टिल 1.26, ठीक है, तो रिपीट आफ्टर मी 1.26। तत्रापश्य स्थितः पार्थः पितॄन् अथ पितामहः आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रन् पौत्रन् सखींस्तथा स्वसुरान् सहृदान् चैव सन्ताश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि। तत्रापश्यत् स्थितान् पार्थः पितॄन् अथ पितामहः आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रन् पौत्रन् सखींस्तथा स्वसुरान् सुहृदाश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि। प्रभु जी से तत्रपश्यत् Pitre, Pitre, Pancha, Pantu, Putra, Pautra, Satis, such, say, like, anything from others, could be anything. That says, Pitre, other people, Pancha, Pantu, Putra, Pautra, Satis, Sasuram, Sulpida, Chaiva, say, be. Entonces, aquel que se le cansa, se le puede hacer. ¿Qué pregunta? Si आप करके आ जाता है, ठीक है। एक बार फैन एक बार कम करके देखिए। मतलब होना ना चाहिए। Very good. There Arjuna could see, within the midst of the army of both parties, his fathers, grandfathers, teachers, maternal uncles, brothers, sons, grandsons, friends, and also his fathers-in-law and well-wishers. Right. अब उन्होंने भगवान ने पिछले वर्ष में बोला कि behold and see all the Kauravs side. Let me try it out now. Let me know if I'm audible. I hope I'll be. एक बार हाँ एक बार उसका वो फ्यूज निकाल के करी एंटीना क्या वो तो कभी खोला ही नहीं वो तो जनरली एफएम के लिए होता है अरे ओके सो अभी पिछले वर्ष में भगवान उनको भेष पे द्रोण के सामने ले जाके ठीक है he took the chariot in front of Bhishma and Drona and then he says कि behold and see all the Kurus see all the Kauravas Sena right now he is going to provoke a little more what happens like now that Arjun starts seeing that whom all he saw he sees his fathers right fathers grandfathers right teachers maternal uncle brothers sons grandsons friend father-in-laws well wishers so who are father means not really his father he is not anymore so father's contemporaries like जो फादर के साथ उनके साथ के जो लोग थे फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल दोस पीपल राइट हु आर एट द सेम एज as his father their grandfathers like Bhishma Pitama and Somadutta teachers like Dronacharya and Kripacharya maternal uncle like Shalya and Shakuni brothers like Duryodhan sons like Lakshmana anyone knows who is Lakshmana Duryodhan son right and who's Shalya correct so Nakul Sahadev's maternal uncle is Shalya right so and friends like Ashwatthama, well-wishers like Kritavarma, etc. He could see all these armies which contained many of his friends. So now Arjun starts seeing all these people in the Kaurasena. ठीक Previously he was in fighting mood कि ठीक है बस आप ले चलो that let's start fight. Then भगवान ले जाते हैं खड़ा कर देते हैं and then he said now look behold and have a look एक बार देखो और अर्जुन अपने सारे रिलेटिव को देखने लगते हैं कि ओके मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे दोस्त मेरे भाई मेरे बेटे मतलब पुत्र ठीक है पितामह सभी लोग नहीं Certainly, very interesting story about Certainly, like my maternal uncle. So certainly, like Mukund told, he was my maternal uncle, Mama, of Ma, क्या कहते हैं, नकुल and सहदेव, माद्री के भाई, ठीक। तो शल्य was king of Madras. Actually मद्रास नाम भी पड़ा है because हाँ अभी चेन्नई है, ठीक। तब मद्रास तो that Madras name is because of Madri, right? Or maybe otherwise. ठीक. But he was the king of Madras, that area, and he was coming to fight along with the Pandavas. तो पूरी सेना लेके because his मामा नकुल सहदेव के मामा पांडवों के मामा, तो he was coming with the full army, वो आ रहे थे सेना लेके, then in between before he was about to reach Hastinapur, so Duryodhan, what he does, he gives him a great hospitality. He gives him all kind of things like उनके रहने की व्यवस्था अच्छा करना, to give him good food and all those things, take care of the whole army in a very amazing way. And he was very happy. He was thinking like, okay, there is someone delegated to do this task from Yudhishthira, right? And that's why he's doing. So he was very happy, and he asked, okay, you asked me really good. You have done such a great hospitality. I want to give you something. You asked me about. Then he tells Sam Duryodhan, and I want you to fight from my side. Right. एक क्षत्रिय एक बार वचन दे दिए तो that's it. He can't go back on from his words. Right. So he said, okay, अब तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते. We have to fight. I'll have to fight from your side. But then he says that, okay, I will fight from your side, but I also have one condition. Okay. Okay, I can fight from your side, but you don't have control over my tongue. Okay. Whatever I want to, I will keep on saying. So very strategically, he keeps on discouraging the whole Kauravas, and especially he was a charioteer of I think Duryodhan, right? He took the role. Karna, maybe one of those Kauravas, right? He charioteer. So what he did the whole time he was like praising Pandavas and just demoralizing this Kaurav. कि अरे वो तो ये है, अरे वो तो ऐसे है, ठीक है वो जीतेंगे तो क्या कर रहे हो? Because they don't have control over his stuff. Duryodhan never thought कि ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है. But yeah, strategies. So he saw all his armies, all these people in front of him. So Mahabharata, like last time also, it's the greatest war ever, greatest family war. एक और बहुत बड़ा फैमिली वॉर हुआ था, किसी को पता है? अपने घर का मत याद करिएगा. That's not greatest. यादों से, हाँ. और कुछ रिसेंट हिस्ट्री में, नॉट इन a little older history, एक बहुत बड़ा वॉर हुआ था. नहीं नहीं नहीं, it's not mythology. Even our इतिहास is not mythology. We should actually never say the term mythology. Thanks for bringing this. This is our इतिहास thing. Just because it does not become इतिहास, it has been turned as mythology. Which मतलब क्या होता है पता है? असत्य. हाँ, जो हुआ ही नहीं. It's not mythology. It is सत्य. ठीक, अगर हम mythology बोलेंगे तो सभी mythology believe करेंगे. तो we should never use the word mythology. It is history. But yeah, coming back to topic. Interesting. ठीक. This is the greatest family war. और कौन-कौन से war आप जानते हैं? अरे मैं 1900 की बात चल रही है. उससे भी बड़ा war. Think on the world level. कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा, इतना तो hint दे दिया. World War One. That was also a family war. अगर किसी को याद होगा, it started with siblings and all. They started fighting. They killed the Duke of Austria, and then all this started. They all were actually relative. It started a war between relatives, and it became so large. But this Mahabharata was even bigger than that. Huge. World War One में कितने hardly कुछ लाख लोग मतलब they lost their life. Here crores of people. Like it is said that some places it is 64 crore people who fought that war. Like not all died, but most of them died. Most मतलब 90% more or 95% people died. Like, so this is the greatest war, and like all the family, they were all involved in the war, and even we see in our home also, like this is age of, here also we see this is age of Kali. Kali मतलब, Kali मतलब कलह, कलह, कलह मतलब conflicts or conflicts, right? English speaking. Yeah, disagreements, conflicts, thing. It's a age of Kali, age of color. It's war. So even we see in our families also a lot of time disagreement comes होता है. I don't think there will be. Is there any family जहाँ पे घर पे लड़ाई नहीं? मतलब चलिए अपने family छोड़ दीजिए. Think of a bigger extended family. ऐसे कोई family है जहाँ लड़ाई नहीं हो? You'll be very lucky. I'll be seeing the first such family. That's great. So that's his of Kali. So So when Arjuna he sees all those people, now reality start dawning on him. थोड़ा उसके मन उनके मन में सुना नहीं मेरे रिलेटिव thing. And before he start मतलब at the time he was started thinking what he does like तो एक छतरी का एक वो होता था code. Now because they are at opposite side, but they still have to take blessing from his guru. Yeah, he still has to take blessing from his guru and his pitama and all the elders. So what does he do? छतरी का एक स्टाइल होता था वो जाके पैर नहीं छुएंगे. So what he does at the same time that is from Mahabharata, right? कि arrow लेके he shoots the arrow which just falls near the leg of or near yeah, near leg of Bhishma Pitama. Right. So it was not like I'm shooting the arrow to kill you. Right. Vishwapitama understood, yeah, this is for the blessing. So what he does, he also shoots one arrow जो अर्जुन के कान के बगल से पास होता है. You have और सर के ऊपर से मतलब near his head. You have my blessings. So that's a three code of having stylish blessing. Right. But yeah, same thing he did for Dronacharya. Right. He took blessing for all the elders. While he's saying, he's taking the blessings also. Now, what happens? It starts slowly. When he takes the blessing, he sees everyone. It starts coming to him. Realization होता है धीरे धीरे दिख रहा है उसको अर्जुन को. He's saying that he okay, these all are my relatives. These all people. These पितामह जिन्होंने मुझे गोद में खिलाया पूरी the whole childhood, right? द्रोणाचार्य, कृपाचार्य जिन्होंने मुझे पूरी शिक्षा दी, मेरे सारे दोस्त, भाई बंधु जिनके साथ मैं पूरे टाइम खेलता था. He's seeing everyone and one by one he's saying and he's starting feeling some remorse. So this is the first time he start feeling the remorse or he start feeling confusion in his mind. Ki, okay, before that, before here he was all clear. Okay, I am going to fight, and we discussed last time that previously he did not want to fight. Right, he did not want to fight the war because he was again thinking like a very relative है क्यों लड़ना ऐसे why to fight the war. But then seeing the behavior of Duryodhana, he is like very much he was very much wanted to fight this war, and he even took a vow that anyone who tries to stop me from fighting this war, I will kill them. Right, that much a terrible vow he took. But now he's at the battleground. He starts seeing everyone. He starts feeling that compassion. Right. So that comes here. What happens in 1.27? We'll see. तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धून् अवस्थितान् कृपया पर्यङ्विष्टो विषीदन्नः विषीदन्नदम् अब्रवीत्. तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धून् अवस्थितान् कृपया पर्यङ्विष्टो विषीदन् इदम् अब्रवीत्. Anyone from province?
तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेय
तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः
सर्वान् बन्धून् वस्थितान्
सर्वान् बन्धून् अवस्थितान्
कृपया पर्यग्विष्टो विषीदनिमा दन्यदं ब्रवीत्.
तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेय
तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धून् अवस्थितान् कृपया पर्यङ्विष्टो This is the consistent by Srimati Vedant Swami Srimati. When the son of Kunti, Arjuna, saw all these different grades of friends and relatives, he became overwhelmed with the compassion and spoke thus. Right. Now we start feeling he is becoming overwhelmed. Right. अभी अंदर compassion की feeling आ रही है when he sees everyone like a distance. And सारे friend relative को देखने के बाद he spoke thus. That is next one. Right. But why does he get the feeling of compassion? Is Arjun in a coward person? Was he a coward then? Or fearful? Seeing that big army, कि इतनी बड़ी सेना है सामने हमारे केवल 7 अश्वाहिनी है उनके सामने उनके पास ही दे हैव 11 अश्वाहिनी सेना अगर राम 4 लोग लड़ने जाते हो आगे 40 लोग खड़े हो थोड़ा डर तो लगता है इज ही हैविंग दैट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग और व्हाट इज द रीजन
Nostalgic of his styles.
nostalgic of his childhood after seeing the relatives here okay he says he says his own relative and they are he's going to or they are going to kill. Right. So that kind of compassion comes in his mind. Okay. और कुछ ओके ठीक है अब देखते हैं कि एक छतरी में नाउ वी आर सीइंग दैट कंपैशन थिंग वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंपैशन सो आपने कई बार ये सुना होगा कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं इफ यू हैव सम डिस्कशन विद जनरल पीपल नॉट डिवोटी पीपल राइट और अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स आल्सो बहुत बार ऐसे आपने सुना होगा मैंने कई बार सुना है कि अरे भगवान राम भी तो जाते थे शिकार करते थे सुना है कि नहीं कभी किसी के साथ हुआ है कि आप कैसे कर सकते हो किसी को जीव हत्या पाप है या मार के खाना पाप है वो भी तो जाते थे शिकार कर रहे क्यों शिकार करेंगे खाने के लिए तो आई हैव हर्ड दिस काइंड ऑफ आर्गुमेंट कि दे यूज्ड टू डू दिस हंटिंग जस्ट टू ईट देम राइट इवन फॉर गॉड दे पुट दिस काइंड ऑफ नॉनसेंस थॉट
अश्वमेध यज्ञ में भी जो है मतलब I didn't have any answers, so I just excused myself to beating it. I just ran away.
that's the best thing actually it happens with me sometimes but yeah, that's maybe important point if you know what is the exact meaning of these things? What our Shastra says will never be confused.
Correct.
Right. We don't have to fight and argue. But if just put the point, जिसको समझना something है जो नहीं समझ में आता उसको पूरे शास्त्र में सुना दोगे, they will not understand. Right. It's a waste of time. Like online arguments. एक कमेंट करता है दूसरा कमेंट करता है तीसरा कमेंट करता है ऑनलाइन आर्गुमेंट ऐसा होता है there was one story कि someone asked कि there is a seminar how to start an online argument. Step 1 comment. Step 2 wait. बाकी बाकी अपने आप हो जाएगा राइट सो दैट्स हाउ दिस हैपेंड इन द एंड 2 घंटे वेस्ट होता है सभी लोग अपना अपना लड़ाई झगड़ा करके सारे स्क्वायर वर्ड्स लिख के उसके बाद लड़ झगड़ के ठीक है सारे रिलेशनशिप खराब करके न तो सामने वाला सुनता है न तो जिसने कमेंट किया था वो सुनता है न तो जो कमेंट कर रहा है वो सुनता है 2 घंटे वेस्ट होता है एंड देन ऐसे हैप्पी ठीक उसके बाद 4 घंटे और दिमाग खराब होता है कि काश मैंने ये लिख दिया होगा मतलब मेरे साथ होता है एनीवन एल्स इसलिए आई स्टॉप यूजिंग सोशल मीडिया just to stop wasting of this time. Right. So coming back to the topic, what in Kshatriya, right? We heard like so in life of Kshatriya there is no place of actually compassion. They were killing, they were doing the hunting for their whole life just to let go of this compassion feeling. Right. That's the sole and whole purpose of why they were doing hunting. Think of a scenario, first time you have been given a gun and you have to kill someone. Would it be easy? या तलवार दिया गया जाओ उसके पेट में घुसा दो गन तो फिर भी थोड़ा दूर होता है एक बार हिम्मत हो गई तलवार दिया गया जाओ उसके पेट में घुसा दो हाउ इज इट वुड बी फॉर एनीवन नॉट एट ऑल राइट बिकॉज वी हैव हमारे हाथ पैर सब कांपने लगेंगे बट क्षत्रियास वे आर नेवर लाइक दैट दे आर नॉट मेड लाइक दैट इसलिए उनको बचपन से हंटिंग एंड ऑल दोस ट्रेनिंग्स आर गिवन सो दैट all those trainings are given so that they let go of this feeling of compassion. They become hardened कि अगर उनको जरूरत पड़े तो फिर other person, the person in front of me born, they will never hesitate. That's the main reason why this was done. So they don't have fear of blood shedding and all those things. Right? They are habituated, they are hardened for that. Like a doctor, एक सर्जन होता है ऐसा नहीं कि सर्जन जब दुकान पे अपनी बैठ जाता है दैट द फर्स्ट टाइम ही डज सर्जरी he's given the training his whole degree on the cadaver the corpse right dead body कि कैसे सर्जरी करनी है if he is not given the training उसको ट्रेनिंग नहीं दी जाएगी he will never be able to do that राइट फर्स्ट टाइम कोई सर्जरी नहीं कर पाता उसको धीरे धीरे ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है द सेम वे क्षत्रियो को पूरे लाइफ की ट्रेनिंग दी गई है ठीक यू डू द हंटिंग यू नेवर फियर द ब्लड शेड एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स सो अर्जुन इज नॉट डाउन कवर्ड एंड वी सॉ अगर आपने फर्स्ट अगर आपने इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ भगवद गीता वाले स्लाइड अगर आपने किसी ने या फिर वो किसी ने देखा होगा ठीक है उसमें पढ़ा होगा तो अर्जुन इज अ ग्रेट मतलब one of the greatest warrior. He cannot be covered. He even gave a fight to Lord Shiva also, right? For long time, and Lord Shiva was so happy that he gave like you were one like who were matching. But I'm so happy that someone matched me, right? That kind of fight someone gave me. So he gave him Pashupati. He was that kind of fighter that he had fight with Gandharvas, Kinnaras, and all those people, and they defeated them like this. That great warrior he was. Gandharva Kinnaras, they are great warriors. They are not like a small warrior, like not like earthly people. They are the people. They are the residents of higher planet, and they are amazing warriors. Right. But he even defeated them very easily without any problem. Right. So he was not at all coward. So coming to the like Kshatriya's quality, the same thing. No place for compassion or fear of killing or bloodshed. Right. And he was trained Kshatriya by Dronacharya. पूरी लाइफ द्रोणाचार्य ने ऐसे ट्रेनिंग दी थी never be coward or you never be fearful for in that condition. So that's why they were allowed to hunt not for merrymaking, not for eating meat. Right. अश्वमेध यज्ञ की आपके बात आपके उस पे क्वेश्चन आते हैं अश्वमेध यज्ञ राइट लोग कहते हैं अश्वमेध यज्ञ में बलि दी जाती है क्यों क्यों मुझे रोक रहा है आई थिंक दैट वुड हैव बीन द क्वेश्चन कि अश्वमेध यज्ञ में क्यों बलि दी जाती है हाउ कैन यू से कि बलि देना पाप है
अश्वमेध यज्ञ में ना सिर्फ बलि दी जाती थी बल्कि बाद में जो है जो मांस होता था घोड़े का उसको चखा भी जाता था तो वो एक
बट सिर्फ चखा जाता था नहीं बलि तो दी जाती थी तो उस समय जो पंडित होते थे दे वर सो पोटेंट थे कि उस निर्जीव जीव को आफ्टर इट वाज किल्ड अपने पावर से दे गिव देम अ न्यू लाइफ वो घोड़ा फिर से जिंदा हो जाता था आज हम ऐसा सोच भी नहीं सकते इन दिस एज ठीक अश्वमेध यज्ञ आज कलयुग में कोई नहीं कर सकता दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल वी डोंट हैव सच पोटेंट पंडित्स आल्सो हु कैन डू दिस आजकल के जो पंडित हैं दे आर मोर ऑफ we'll discuss that later part of the day right after this class but they don't have this kind of potency right so अश्वमेध यज्ञ में वो जिंदा कर सकते थे इसलिए करते थे because they get level वो न्यू लाइफ मिलते थे and those horse ठीक है या horses जिनकी बलि दी जाती है liberated can we do that अगर हम जाके बकरे को काट के बलि चढ़ा रहे हैं nowadays it is not for frankly it is not for देवी को खुश करने के लिए इट इज मोर ऑफ चलो भैया तो बलि चढ़ाएंगे उसके बाद बढ़िया मटन पकेगा पूरा सभी लोग मिलके खाएंगे दैट्स ऑल इट इज इट्स अबाउट द इट्स अबाउट देवी ऐसा नहीं कि देवी जी नहीं कहती कि बकरा चढ़ाओ तो आई नॉट बी हैप्पी ठीक आप 2 किलो लड्डू चढ़ाए दिस विल बी हैप्पी ऐसा कहीं वो नहीं कि नहीं मुझे तो यही चाहिए ठीक सो दोज आर द थिंग्स दैट्स वेयर द बुद्ध अवतार केम because this practice has become so rampant that जब बुद्धा से कि why are you doing this ठीक है why you guys are doing this is not allowed in our संस्कृति मतलब this is not allowed we should have compassion अहिंसा they said नहीं नहीं हमारे वेद ये कहते हैं कि हम करते हैं हमें करना है they said ठीक है वेदों को छोड़ दो leave all the Vedas that was the sole purpose of Buddha avatar of Krishna right or Vishnu लोग कहते हैं कि बुद्ध अवतार क्यों लिया बुद्ध ने वेद सिखाई बट बहुत सारे भगवान के अवतार थे जो एक स्पेसिफिक पर्पस के लिए आते थे It does not show all those kind of qualities. अगर आप सारे अवतार देखेंगे तो आप देखेंगे इनका एक स्पेसिफिक पर्पस के लिए ही आते हैं, राइट? एक्सेप्ट वन अवतार। आप जस्ट सोचिए, जस्ट थिंक, थिंक एनी अवतार, राइट? आपको 10 अवतार पता है, थिंक एनी अवतार। You think there is one very specific person they come from. अगर भगवान कृष्ण के बाद अगर कोई अवतार हमें मिलता है, that is राम अवतार, right? That's all we, that's most we remember. How many people know tell stories of Bhagwan Ram in childhood? 5? Do we know? No, it doesn't come because he came for a very specific reason, for killing of Ravan. Even that avatar is not Purna avatar. But for Krishna, जब से पैदा हुए, जब तक he lived the world, we hear hundreds of stories. A lot of people are, how can you say Krishna is supreme? Again, we are going a little out of topic, but a lot of people say, how can you say Krishna is supreme? Because he is the Purna avatar. You have every aspect of his life documented, and we hear about it. We don't have any single avatar for which we can say the same thing. Right? अभी मतलब भगवान कृष्ण के बाद भगवान राम ही है जो सबसे बड़े अवतार हम मानते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि कोई अवतार किसी से कम है, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है। But then there is one original. There is one who is Purna avatar, and the other are coming for a specific purpose. नरसिम्हा अवतार came, किसको पता नरसिम्हा देव की childhood? कुछ नहीं। He came out of the pillar. He killed, he blessed the Prahlad Maharaj, and then नरसिम्हा देव, हाँ, right, and then he went back. Kurma avatar, Vara avatar, they all avatar came from this people. We don't know their childhood or even पैदा होना कुछ भी नहीं, right? Because they all came for a specific purpose. But for Krishna, being a Purna avatar, we know why he took birth, we know what he did in childhood, we know what he did in his adulthood, in his adolescence, in when he became older, 125 years till now. We know all these stories. He did all the Leela, most of the Leela what he does in Golok Vrindavan to here, to showcase how Golok Vrindavan would be, which we should aim for. Right. Okay, coming back to the topic. So, हाँ, तो क्षत्रिय की क्वालिटी ये होती है कि they are never hesitant to kill. So was Arjun coward or weak? If not, then why he started feeling the compassion? क्या reason है? That we'll see next. Right. So what happens here till here? Now we are going into section 20, section 2. Here Arjun sees that and he start in last verses we saw that and spoke thus. What is that he spoke? Right. He start saying what he is going to do. So this section is divided into 5 parts. What all reasons he gave. And along with being a great warrior, मतलब केवल अर्जुन great warrior ही नहीं थे, he was a very scholar person also. So now he start giving the reasons. All the five reasons he gave, these are as मतलब these are from the Shastras. We'll see. So first reason he gave, which we'll discuss from 1.28 to 1.30, is for the compassion. Right. When he starts seeing his relatives, he start having the feeling of compassion for them. ये तो मेरे अपने हैं, right? ये तो हमारे ही है, मतलब इनके साथ ही मैंने पूरा अपना लाइफ अब तक जितनी है, I spent my whole life with these people. They start feeling the compassion. We, like a couple of people told me, could also told the same thing, right? So start feeling the compassion. So from 1.28, 1.30, he gives those reason of compassion, that feeling. Then he gives the next reason he gives enjoyment. Think of you as an earning person. You do a lot of earning, you get everything, you give zero time to your family. Then your family, not you, चलो एक बंदा, ठीक है, एक बंदा जो अपने फैमिली को नेग्लेक्ट करके उनसे सब कुछ पा लिया. He got 2-3 villas, maybe Bangalore, ठीक, multi crore or arabs of properties and all those things. Then after all this thing, his wife left with kids, with whom he is going to enjoy all those things. So that was the exact reason what Arjuna gave. These are all my relatives, these are all my sakha, these are all my friends, brothers, right? If they are not there, with whom I will enjoy whatever I'm going to win, this whole kingdom and all those properties and all those that I'm going to get from this war. With whom I'm going to enjoy this? So in this four verses he gives this particular reason. Right. Krishna is not telling anything. He will start talking in chapter 2. Then he gives the reason of a fear of sinful reaction. What is the sinful reaction? We just talked about Buddha Avtar. Right. What is the sinful activity? What is the sinful reaction? Jeev Hatya. Right. And Jeev Hatya, more than Jeev Hatya, he is going to kill he is going to kill his respectable elders. अपने गुरु को मारना, गुरु हत्या, अपने पितामह को मारना, ठीक, अपने मामा को, all these relatives, ठीक. So killing elders, हाँ, हाँ, ठीक. Killing all his elder people, all the respectable people. ठीक, हम मतलब our संस्कृति, our dharma says that to honor and respect our elders, and he is going to kill them. So that's a big sin. So he gives that reason. He fears of sinful reactions. He I will get the sinful reaction if I do this. Then the next point, very amazing point, the next one what he gives, the next reason what he gives. Destruction of family traditions. Right. Now, this point is such an amazing point. The whole, like we can have a one class of discussion on this one point alone. Destruction of family tradition. What is the family tradition? What do we think about? कि family tradition क्या होता है? कोई any point? हमारे ancestor से चलती आ रही हो, correct? Right, family tradition. And what kind of things comes from the ancestor or in the tradition from the family?
Respecting elders.
Respecting elders. In broad term में सोचिए, मतलब not to a specific point. What exactly is passed from generation to generation?
स्वच्छ रहो, पूजा पाठ करो.
Okay, बहुत हाँ मतलब these all can be categorized as one thing. Dharma, right? It's the elder generation who pass the dharma from one generation to another. You see things around you. ठीक, अभी की कंडीशन देखिए या आप अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में ही देखिए. If your friends they are not religious, if they are not doing passing this, do you think their child will become religious? Is it possible? या फिर उनको 1 घंटे भगवत गीता क्लास पे छोड़ देंगे तो हमारे टेम्पल में कई बार या टेम्पल में क्या होता है इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ठीक कि मम्मी पापा आते हैं अच्छा भगवत गीता क्लास है बच्चों को छोड़ दिया दे लेफ्ट देयर किड्स देयर ठीक है तो भगवत गीता क्लास पढ़ना नाउ दे लेफ्ट 2 घंटे की क्लास है दे वेंट टू शॉपिंग मॉल आज शॉपिंग करेंगे ठीक है थोड़ा बाहर खाएंगे पिएंगे आफ्टर 2 hours दे कम बैक एंड दे से सीख लिया ना आज श्लोका सीख लिया सब कुछ सीख लिया बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड डू यू थिंक दैट वुड वर्क 2 घंटे क्लास बच्चों को क्लास में भेज के और खुद क्या कर रहे हैं शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं दे आर डूइंग ऑल काइंड ऑफ मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग एंड देन एक्सपेक्टिंग चिल्ड्रन टू just be enlightened somehow. Think of just one day. After that 2 hours, they will be spending 22 hours with us. फिर उन्हीं बच्चों को लेके KFC पहुंच जाएंगे आओ बेटा let's enjoy. And this is not going to work like that. So that's a responsibility of the elder generation to pass this dharma, pass the values. So that point he gives destruction of family tradition. If the elders are not passing this, and why elders are not passing this? In this whole war, crores of people, even elders, all those Purush maybe, right? They all are participating in this Mahabharata war. ठीक, अर्जुन के साथ के, उनके बच्चे, उनके पौत्र, his pitama, everyone, all the generation, 5 generation you can think of. Everyone is participating. All the male from this family are participating in this war, and it is destined most of them would be killed. What would happen then? If they are killed, who will protect their family? Which the women of their family. This is the reason he gives. Who will protect them? And if there is no one to protect them, that becomes there are immoral people always around the society. They will start advancing towards those women. Right? Many would be successful, many times a lot of bad things will happen. And the children which will be born out of this illicit relationships, they are called Vard Sankar. Vard Sankar means mixed genes. right? And if someone is born out of such kind of activity, what kind of concept or this kind of consciousness, what do you think their consciousness would be? It is just for material enjoyment, they came together, then they left, right? The child does not have a father to guide, right, and to pass dharma, no elder. And this is what happens. So this kind of reason to give destruction of family tradition, right? So coming back to our like current situation. So one story comes into mind. Uh, there's one Bhakti Rasamrita Swami Maharaj. He met one doctor, the lady doctor. She was like in her late 40s and 50s, some well-established doctor, high earning. So she was going to she started going to the temple for Bhagavad Gita classes in evening 1 hour. Right. Her mother came to know and she tells, why are you going to Bhagavad Gita classes? This is not Bhagavad Gita. You take care of your kid. That is Bhagavad Gita. This is what Bhagavad Gita says. Right. Are we able to relate such condition in our family? हाँ? ऐसा हुआ है किसी के साथ? मेरे साथ तो हुआ है. We'll discuss that. Right. कि this is Bhagavad Gita. Take care of your family. I know why you are going it. The new doctor which came in your clinic, he is just influencing you to do all these things. Right? Don't listen to him. Change the consultant. Right? But don't go. You take care of this kid from Bhagavad Gita. You want to practice that? Go to temple uh, sometime. That is it. Bhagavad Gita says take care of your family. So our elders itself, that's a real story. Our elders itself have this kind of conception of dharma. कि धर्म क्या होता है? मंदिर में जाओ सुबह या हफ्ते में एक बार जाओ, हाथ जोड़ लो भगवान को, थोड़ा ठीक है, फूल लेके चले जाओ, थोड़ा फल लेके चले जाओ, चढ़ा दो, दैट्स ऑल. ठीक, हमारा धर्म हो गया. ठीक. This is, if they have this kind of understanding of dharma, what kind of understanding they are going to give to us, right? That lady is a well-established doctor, 40s, 50s, elders, जिनकी responsibility है to pass on the real knowledge, to make them on the right path. कि क्या करना है, instead of doing that what they are saying, ये क्या कर रहे हो, ये सब फालतू काम है, ठीक है, तुम घर पे बेटी का ख्याल रखो. This is Bhagavad Gita and this is what Bhagavad Krishna says. They don't have understanding, they have vague understanding of Bhagavad Gita and that's what they are passing on. And this is the condition we all can relate in our life. आप एक बार अपने मम्मी पापा को बताइए भगवत गीता क्लास जाने लगे, अभी आप देखिए आपको, you will relate to this story, right? अरे क्या जरूरत है? First time I told my mom कि I started doing 16 rounds of chanting. अरे 16 क्यों कर रहे हो? ठीक है, 4 करो, 5 करो, ये करो. मैंने कहा मुझे जो करना है मैं करूंगा, आप भी 16 करो, बट दूसरे को मत रोको. This thing we all have seen. आप अब आपके फ्रेंड्स, आप जाके बताओ यार मैं भगवत गीता क्लास में गया, जो लोग नए लोग हैं, आप जाके बताओ कि सब ठीक है, ऑल गुड, या कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बताओ, वी आर देयर फॉर यू. पहले लोग को लगता है भगवान के पास तब जाना है जब कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो लाइफ में, वरना तो लाइफ सेट है. ऐसा होता है कि नहीं? So that's how the this kind of, if the dharma is not passed from generation to generation in a proper way, these kind of things will come up. Those Vard Shankar kids, right? Vard Shankar, jo they are born out of a illicit relationship. What they, our Shastra said they will become little demon. They are having that kind of consciousness, which will be demonic consciousness. They will do all kind of bad things. And what would be the whole society when there are so many demons? That's how we are in Kali Yuga. And these all things are getting into that. So that reason he gives destruction of the family tradition. Right? When family tradition is destroyed, everything becomes hellish. So then the fifth reason he gives, the indecision. Yeah, I'm not able to understand what should I do. That was the last he tells of the reasons after which Krishna is speaking. तो एक और लेसन यहाँ भी है. इतना मतलब 1.28 से 2.6 तक अर्जुना was लगातार बोलते गए. One thing we can, what do you think इतना इतना लंबा बोले, what lesson we can take from them? एक बहुत common lesson. Most of us having, even we have, don't have that quality in our life. क्या? स्पीक, वो तो बोलते ही क्या? हाँ, सुनते नहीं है. ठीक. कई बार हम क्या करते हैं, दूसरे की हम सुनते नहीं है। रुको, हमारी मीटिंग से भी कई बार होता है, वो बोल रहा है रुको पहले मेरा पॉइंट हो जाए, रुको रुको रुको, आई एम सॉरी टू, okay, someone came into my mind, a wrong way people say, I'm sorry to cut you in half. Right. तो कई बार लोग भूल से rather than interrupting and all, they say sorry to cut you in half. So लोग बीच में रोक के पहले अपना पॉइंट हम रख लें। तो one very important thing we can learn from them to listen more. अगर हम सुनेंगे सब कुछ, then we can give the exact reason. Right. So that so this now the section 2 will start where we'll see the reasons in detail. So these reasons again we'll see in the detail like how what are the reasons again. So we do this 1.2. This is the big verse. Arjuna Uvacha Drishtuvemam Swajanam Krishna Yutsam Samupasthitam Sedanti Mamam Gatrani Mukham Cha Parishusyati Drishtuvemam Swajanam Krishna Yutsam Samupasthitam Sedanti Mamam Gatrani Mukham Cha Parishusyati. Anyone from Province side?
सजनं कृष्णं
Drishtuvemam Swajanam Krishna Yutsam Samupasthitam Sedanti Mukham Cha Parishusyati. Anyone from Madhya side?
Vajanam Krishnam
Krishna.
Sampathitam Siddhanti Mama Gatrani Mukam Cha Parisushyati.
Arjuna said, my dear Krishna, seeing my friends and relatives present before me in such a fighting spirit, I feel the limbs of my body quivering and my mouth drying up. Right. So previously start feeling the compassion, and now the effects of the compassion is starts coming. ठीक. इफेक्ट ऑफ कंपैशन क्या होता है? कई बार जब हम इमोशनल होते हैं, ठीक, हम बहुत इमोशनल हो गए, हमारे मुंह से आवाज भी नहीं निकलती, ठीक, होता है, मतलब probably everyone would have felt that कि we are not able to talk, हमारे गला सूख जाता है, so a lot of things will come up. So it starts with his body becomes numb, right? His limbs of the body is quivering, कांपने लगता है, and mouth is drying up. He's not able to speak after seeing all this related. So पिछला question यहाँ पे ये थी, ठीक, was Arjuna fearful or coward? No, we discussed that he was not fearful or coward, not at all. Right, but then what is the reason? That reason is given in this verse. What is that? Like fighting spirit is not the reason for him to feel compassion. That is written in this verse. What is that? Anyone can?
So they are
Swajanam. ठीक है? Swajanam. Right? Means my people, my relatives. Now, again, we are coming to the same point. Arjuna being eternal associate of Lord Krishna. ठीक. He is the greatest devotee. He has all the knowledge, the greatest scholar. अच्छा. He is a great scholar. He knows about the body and the soul and all those things. But he started feeling that way, thinking Swajan. What do you mean by Swajan?
relatives.
My people. Swa मतलब मेरा, जन मतलब लोग. My people, my relatives, my family, friends. Right? So, after he sees that, he become overwhelmed by this compassion. And he sees all those relatives, the realization is now on him that these are all my people, Swajan, okay, to whom I'm going to fight and I'm probably going to kill. He starts thinking in that mode or in that perspective now. right? Swajan. Now, the problem with the Swajan is, what is the problem with the Swajan? That's correct, thing, right? He's going to kill his own relative. But then, what is the problem with Swajan?
They get killed, who is going to take care of their kids?
वो तो point है. That will be. We'll discuss that in detail. But what is the problem with Swajan?
Correct. Good versus bad.
Good versus bad. Okay, you are not able to take. But Swajan में क्या problem है? Swajan को मारने में क्या problem है? Emotions, okay.
Kauravas, they know dharma, but they are not following the dharma.
Okay.
Because we content on
Think of a point of spirituality. Spirituality. That's a hint. What is the problem with Swajan? A devotee will always have a compassion. Compassion is an integral part of devotion. Right? डिवोशन मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपके सामने कोई भूखा मर रहा है तो आप उसको कुछ मत दो वो बेचारे को अरे मत दो I'm thinking on soul's level you are soul take care of your soul bye bye a devotee must always have a compassion and it is an integral part right so yes a compassion would be there but swajan के साथ problem ये है when we start talking about swajan we think on our body platform it is a bodily concept of swajan. Right. Soul, what is soul? We discussed 100 times. What exactly is soul? It's a part and parcel of God. If every jeev is part and parcel of God, who is not also Swajan? Everyone is our Swajan. Right. But at this point of time, he is thinking on a bodily concept, these people are my Swajan. Right. The people who are not my relative, they are not my Swajan. Like that. He start thinking on the bodily platform rather than thinking on the soul's platform. सोल का क्या एक धर्म है ठीक सबसे बड़ा धर्म तो ये भगवान के आदेश को फॉलो करना इफ गॉड टेल्स हिम डू द वर्क दैट्स इट नो क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड बॉस इज ऑलवेज राइट वी वी हर्ड यस्टरडे राइट बॉस इज ऑलवेज राइट गॉड इज द बॉस इज ऑलवेज राइट आप बोले हम करेंगे आर्मी में भी होता है राइट अगर मेरा सुपीरियर ने कुछ बोला राइट और रॉन्ग दैट्स अ लॉ इवन इफ इट इज रॉन्ग right I have to being a subordinate to the officer I have to follow that thing यहाँ तो भगवान है और भगवान बोल रहे वार करना है तो करना ही है there is no question in that कि अरे क्यों नहीं क्यों करना है ठीक so that's one now अब यहाँ पे ये स्वजन का कि हम bodily platform पे सोच रहे हैं now we think on spiritual platform where it comes all jiva are our swajan जितने भी जीव हैं सब everyone is part and parcel of God they all are our swajan ठीक every soul is related हम स्कूल में जाकर बोलते थे all Indians are my brothers and sisters बहुत बुरा लगता था ये तो बट फिर भी अगर आप सोल के लेवल पे देखेंगे तो probably that's true not only Indians live Indians all jiva एक पेड़ पत्ती lichen algae amoeba euglena everything is all brothers and sisters because all are sons we are all sons of God so if you think that way we are all swajan हो सकते हैं brothers and sisters but bodily platform पे that concept changes right so don't think कि मैं शादी नहीं करूँगा because everyone is my swajan that's all सभी मेरे भाई बहन हैं यही प्रभु जी ने बोला था आप मैं शादी नहीं करूँ पापा आप मुझे पीटेंगे ठीक तो will not be going to that right so what Bhagavad Gita says that we should repose all or we should transfer all our love स्वजन के लिए क्या होता है love ही होता है right because of love this compassion comes but what Bhagavad Gita says that we should transfer so this is a bigger discussion just bear with me ठीक and it try to ask like if you have any question ask don't ये केवल one way session नहीं है right so यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि भगवत गीता बोलता है कि ट्रांसफर ऑल द लव टू वन पर्सन Nardiya Sutra say, it also says the same thing. You repose all the love or all the compassion, all your results, right? To one, repose all to for the one person. That one person is God. Hmm. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Even भीष्म पितामह भी जब युधिष्ठिर को बाद में उपदेश दे रहे थे on his bed of arrow, right? He tells when he gives all the उपदेश, he tells that कि you have to give, मतलब whatever the result, whatever love you are having, you have to repose to one person, and that person is just sitting beside, he is standing beside you. He tells that he is the भगवान जो तुम्हारे बगल में खड़े हैं, right? ऋषभ देव, anyone knows ऋषभ देव? किसी को पता है ऋषभ देव कौन है? किसी को जैन धर्म पता है? आपके दोस्तों के कोई जैन तो होगी, राइट? सो हु स्टार्टेड जैन धर्म? ऋषभ देव. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग को लगता है कि महावीर, but Mahavir is actually 24 Tirthankar. It was started with Rishabdev. So Rishabdev had 100 sons. Hmm. And to his 100 sons, what he told, no one should become a father, a mother, a brother, husband, wife, all those relations. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे रुक नहीं गए थे, इसके आगे भी था. Unless they are able to deliver them. What do we mean by deliver? Hmm? But that is not really delivery, because if you are becoming that, you have to fulfill the responsibility. वो तो एक basic need है. बच्चा पैदा करके भाग जाना is not correct thing. वो तो ethics के बारे. But deliver is something more. It's a way bigger than that. What do we mean by deliver? Deliver क्या होता है? Mooks. Yeah, deliver. Yeah, exactly. Mooks. Deliver them. So what does he mean by unless we are able to give them spiritual values which will help them to get out of this world, that is help them deliver themselves, it's all useless, right? So all the services what we do, if it is, we discussed that 0 and 1 point, we'll come to that again. All the services which we do, right, if it is not done for God, this all have zero values. Like we discussed this, anything which is connected to God having one. If something which is not connected to God, that is zero. You can have trillions of zero, the total will always be zero. You have just one, it is higher than the trillions of zero. Right? So same thing, if any service we do, if we are not doing a service which is for the God, that means that's not a service at all. But does that mean कि हम अपने घर वालों की सर्विस बंद करते हैं, अपने बेटे बच्चों की, अपने माँ बाप की, सबकी सर्विस बंद करते हैं? Does it mean this? What does it mean? मतलब यहाँ पे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि सर्विस केवल भगवान के लिए करनी है, इसका तो ये मतलब है बाकी किसी के लिए नहीं करनी है.
जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, पिता है, माता है, उनका भी कनेक्शन भगवान से है, तो ये समझ करके उनकी सेवा करनी है कि हम भगवान की ही सेवा कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, एक पॉइंट ये है. That's nice. Anything else? बट एक बात हमें थोड़ी सी ध्यान रखनी है, नर सेवा नारायण सेवा नहीं चाहिए. Be very clear on that. नारायण सेवा नर सेवा में बहुत डिफरेंस है. We'll discuss that in a little detail. हाँ. Any other point? हाँ. That is the main thing. But does it mean कि हम केवल भगवान की सर्विस करें, घर वालों की सर्विस छोड़ दें? These all are correct point and these are all good point. So service हमारे शास्त्र क्या कहते थे? Any service is service if it is done on spiritual platform. ठीक. अगर स्पिरिचुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपने सर्विस नहीं की तो इट हैज जीरो वैल्यू. मटेरियल प्लेटफॉर्म के सर्विस का कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो देयर इज वन स्टोरी विच कम्स. एक बंदा था, कमिंग बैक टू सिमिलर टॉपिक, एक बंदा था, उसने पूरी जिंदगी बहुत पैसा कमाया. ही अर्नड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी वर्किंग हार्ड 18 hours 20 hours आजकल कौन है 14 hours 17 hours a week वाले लोग ठीक है probably he was more than them कि हाँ मैं 70 बोल रहा हूँ अब तो 90 वाले हैं, ठीक है so he was earning very hard and he had a lot of assets and wealth and everything ठीक neglecting all his family then what happens he had everything one day he died खत्म हो गया सब कुछ छोड़ के and then he took a birth and give me story Srila Prabhupada he tells a lot of times in his lectures so he takes a birth as a cobbler's son who lives just in front of his previous bungalow जहाँ पे अब उसको जो पहले उसने बंगला बड़ा सा बनवाया था एक बड़ी बिल्डिंग think of a Trump Tower उसके सामने एक कॉबलर का हाउस है ठीक वहां पे उस बच्चे के रूप में he was born and by some reason he had memory of his old life ठीक उसको याद था तो जब वो थोड़ा सा बड़ा हुआ मतलब उसका काम क्या था जूते मतलब जूते वगैरह सिलना पॉलिश करना एंड ऑल जब वो थोड़ा सा बड़ा हुआ तो one day his son who is now elder and he was going in his car with driver so he reached out to him and knocks the window विंडो को नॉक करता है पूछता है विंडो खोलते हैं क्या क्या चाहिए तो he says कि अरे you don't remember me no why would I remember I'm your father from last life देखिए कोई कल को आपको आप सड़क पे चल रहे हो या तो बोलो मैं तुम्हारा पापा हूँ this time क्या करोगे आप बोलो क्या करोगे कोई एग्जैक्टली तो वो भी यही कहता है पागल हो क्या ठीक है नहीं 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 अरे मैं तुम्हारा पापा हूँ ठीक है यू डोंट मुझे सब कुछ याद है तो वो फिर दो चार जो गार्ड्स रहते हैं उसको आके उसको पिटवा देते हैं ठीक उस कॉबलर के उसको बेटे को now this father worked his whole life to serve his family getting him all the necessity needed assets wealth and everything what is the value of that whole service when he was born in next life क्या हुआ it's all zero ठीक एक बार मरने के बाद उन सबकी वैल्यू जीरो हो जाती है बट व्हेन यू डू दिस सर्विस ऑन द स्पिरिचुअल प्लेटफॉर्म दिस ऑलवेज स्टेज भगवान भगवत गीता में बोलते हैं हमने पहली बार कई बार डिस्कस किया whatever whatever service whatever things you have done on a spiritual platform that does not go away if anyone is a devotee if he has practiced say x amount of devotion in next life it will always start from x plus 1 it will not start from 0 right but on material platform it will always start from 0 no value of this at all so when we are talking about delivering right delivering means helping them to connect to Krishna consciousness right helping them to connect with God if we are not able to do that अगर हम वो नहीं कर रहे the whole service has zero value कोई मतलब नहीं है उस सर्विस का and that's why Rishabh said no one should become a father mother or anything unless they are able to deliver the people who are responsible um, whom you are responsible for right so very important point here what is this service so service point of view now coming to this verse coming back to that so that's exactly what is happening here swajana right so the lesson for us is if we are into if we are connected to God if we love God do service for God we automatically so answer to the question should we not serve our relatives or children or family members no if you actually love God you actually serve everyone कैसे हमने पहले एक बार डिस्कस किया एक दो एग्जांपल्स के साथ कोई किसी को याद है एग्जांपल ऑफ अ ट्री ठीक when you are a gardener or you love doing gardening think of a scenario you love doing gardening right आज पेड़ में पानी डालना है where would you put water on every leaf on every flower in the roots and who is the root of this whole world God Krishna right if you do the service for Krishna all the parts will automatically be nourished अगर आपका कंपनी का सीईओ खुश है ठीक है ही इज गेटिंग व्हाट ही वांट्स ऑल द रिजल्ट्स सारे एम्प्लॉय भी खुश रहेंगे ठीक कई बार हमें होता है ना मैनेजर आज घर पे लड़के आया आज तो सबकी जीवन नरक कर देगा होता है कि नहीं हैज एनीवन फेल्ट दैट मतलब मेरे साथ तो हुआ है लगता है घर पे इसका मूड अलग ही था ठीक तो if your manager if your CEO is happy everyone would be happy if God is happy automatically everyone would be happy so if we love God we automatically love everyone right and that's an inherent quality like we discussed compassion is a quality of soul a devotee has to have compassion and love ठीक there is no place कि they cannot have compassion for every जीव not only for Swajan but now Arjuna यहाँ पे start thinking on the point of Swajan मेरे लोग when he start the moment he start thinking on the bodily concept he get away from the spiritual platform और उससे क्या होता है he start getting into material platform and material platform पे we always think कि I can do things I this I comes into picture कि हाँ मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ मैं ये कर लूँगा I'll make these things work right rather than thinking we are not the controller it's God which controls everything we cannot control a single thing in our life if Paramatma does not sanction I cannot even raise my hand right but he starts thinking in that way and that's where the problem starts coming when he start thinking of material platform so he start getting this compassion he start feeling this dryness in his mouth and his body starts quivering and all those things right so we'll read the purport practically the whole community all the blood relative of Arjuna has come to fight with him this overwhelmed the kind of devotee like Arjuna although it is not mentioned here one can easily imagine that not only were Arjuna's bodily limbs were quivering and mouth were drying up but he's also crying out of compassion right so next, we'll see like what all kind of okay, sorry. This one. So such symptoms in Arjuna were not due to weakness. We discussed that. It is not because he was coward or fearful, but because of his soft-heartedness. A devotee should always have love and compassion. So because he's a devotee, he's the greatest devotee, one of the greatest devotee of Krishna. So he has this love and compassion. So he will naturally feel this soft-heartedness. एक compassion रहेगा ठीक कि मेरे a characteristic of pure devotee of the Lord. But the one who is not a devotee of the Lord is only has only material qualification that are of little value. We discussed that point. A material platform, pay any service, any compassion, any love, that has zero values, right? And our Shastra says that again, coming to the point of the family material platform, we can do all the service we want. Next life, it will have a zero value. So what our Shastra said last time also we discussed this time we are like relative, we are friends, we are husband and wife, mother and father. But our life is like a twig in water. Twig मतलब छोटे छोटे जो झाड़ियाँ पत्ते ऐसे होते हैं ना. Twig in the flowing river. एक बार सब साथ होते हैं, थोड़ा करंट आगे बढ़ता है, सब अलग हो जाते हैं, फिर there is a new group which is formed. ठीक, थोड़ा आगे जाते हैं, there is a third group which is formed. Every life this keeps on changing. और वो इतना चेंज होता है कि कई बार and this is as per Srimad Bhagavatam, as per a lot of Shastras says that कि कई बार when we have better relationship with our enemies and like with our enemies, they are also born in next life as a husband and wife. आओ बेटा अब साथ में ही निपटाते हैं right so बहुत सारे घरों में बहुत लड़ाइयाँ होती है they are like incompatible relation yeah एक फेसबुक में कौन सा स्टेटस है एक थर्ड कैटेगरी complicated relationship right so a lot of time there could be reason because they were enemies in previous life so our life is like that it will keep on mix and matching and that's what our scriptures say so just doing service on the bodily platform just for our swajan on the body swajan right केवल मैं अपनी family के लिए करूँगा that has zero value and it will not give you any result if you think on this life आप next life तो छोड़ दो forget about next life just think about this life do you know any of your family जहाँ आप मम्मी पापा को छोड़ के बच्चे भाग गए who anyone knows any such family in their relative or anyone मम्मी पापा कहीं रह रहे हैं अकेले पड़े हुए हैं they are like no one is there to take care of them everyone knows one or more families like that so forget about next life even this life the mother and father who have done all the things बच्चे से लेके दूध पिलाने लेके पॉटी धोने से लेके स्कूल जाना सब कुछ right what not they have done spending hours and hours what is the value they get when they get old हम यहाँ पढ़े हैदराबाद बेंगलोर, मम्मी पापा वहां पढ़े, कोई देखने वाला नहीं। ठीक, अगर उनको जरूरत पड़ी तो अरे अभी तो मेरी ऑफिस की मीटिंग है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टाइमलाइन है, आई कैन नॉट गो, दिस एंड दैट, these all things comes up. So forget next life, even this life we see all those things. That's the value of our material services. Right? But when we do the service on the platform of the spirit, platform of the spiritual platform, it has a value. And our goal should be to deliver them, to make them into part of, to make them so that they can come into part of it. It will take time. ऐसा नहीं कि आप एक बार बोलो पापा कल से चलो साथ में चैंटिंग करेंगे, ठीक, ऐसा नहीं कि आपके साथ बैठ के वो चैंटिंग करने लगेंगे, हो सकता है आपको 4 गाली भी दे ठीक है, जो भी, ठीक, but slowly this will work. If you have a genuine desire, this is certainly going to work. It is not going to stop. God will show us the way. हाँ, question. हाँ,
सर्विस जो है प्रैक्टिकली मतलब आपको स्पिरिचुअलिटी की तरफ बढ़ना चाहिए।
करेक्ट। सो स्पिरिचुअलिटी होता क्या है? आपका क्वेश्चन ये है कि प्रैक्टिकली आपको स्पिरिचुअलिटी की ओर बढ़ना चाहिए। व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी? हम थोड़ा सा उस पर डिस्कस करते हैं। आपको क्या लगता है व्हाट इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी?
गॉड से कनेक्ट करना है।
एंड हाउ वुड यू कनेक्ट विद गॉड?
स्क्रिप्चर्स पे उसपे ध्यान दें।
स्क्रिप्चर पे ध्यान लोगे आप सारे, आपको भगवत गीता के सारे वर्सेस याद हो गए, यू नो ऑल द महाभारत स्टोरी, वुड यू कनेक्ट टू गॉड? सो ठीक है, आपका एक बेटा है, लेट्स से, अगर है तो भी मान लीजिए, कि नहीं भी है तो भी मान लीजिए, ठीक, शी इज फीलिंग हंग्री, यू लव हर सो मच, एंड यू से, शी कम्स टू यू एंड कि पापा पापा बहुत भूख लगी, यू से बेटा आई लव यू, आई नो खाना कैसे बनता है, ठीक, आई नो उसमें क्या क्या पड़ता है, आई नो द बेस्ट रेसिपी, मैं पिज्जा भी बनाना जानता हूँ, मैं बेस्ट पास्ता इन द वर्ल्ड बनाना जानता हूँ, बट यू वेट, ठीक है, अभी मैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम कर रहा हूँ, देखेंगे, ठीक है, तो थोड़ा बैठे रहो, ठीक है, you know you have all the ज्ञान, would that serve them? No, right. So what exactly is love? What exactly is service? Doing service. It's not the ज्ञान, ज्ञान आप 1000 ले लोगे, बहुत ज्ञानी पड़े, मतलब we meet so many people in the world, इतना उनको ज्ञान आता है, ऐसे आपको 1 घंटे में सारा 700 श्लोक सुना देंगे, हमें शायद इसमें नहीं आता, ठीक, आपको 700-800 श्लोक सुना देंगे ऐसे खट 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 खट, और करेंगे कुछ भी नहीं। Service means to love God, to connect with God means to doing service. If you are not doing service, that means you don't love. If you are not serving your kid, that means you don't love your kid. It's as simple as that. You want to connect with God, you have to do the service. ज्ञान से कुछ भी नहीं होगा। हाँ, हम आएंगे उस पर। How we'll come to that. ठीक, we'll come to that also. ठीक। Any question on this topic for now? We'll discuss that in detail. What service? हमने पहले भी सर्विस की बोली है, थोड़ा आज भी डिस्कस करें।
स्पिरिचुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी सोचते हैं तो भी तो कंपैशन आता है।
हाँ बिल्कुल आता है, लेकिन फिर कंपैशन से एक ओवरराइडिंग फैक्टर होता है, गॉड्स वर्ड। व्हाट इज योर धर्म? स्पिरिट का धर्म क्या होता है? हमने बोला स्पिरिट का पहला धर्म कंपैशन नहीं है, फॉलोइंग द ऑर्डर ऑफ द गॉड, दैट इज माय फर्स्ट धर्म। ठीक, आपका मैनेजर आपको कुछ बोला और डायरेक्टर आपको कुछ बोला, ऐसा नहीं कि आप मैनेजर की बात मानोगे, यू हैव टू फॉलो डायरेक्टर्स थिंग फर्स्ट, so that becomes overriding authority. If Krishna is coming here, say go, fine, and that's it. I don't have to think about any other thing. Yes, I have compassion and all, but then God's word is most important for me, that I have to follow. If I'm not following, that's the biggest sin I'm going to do. So the biggest disservice is not following the word of our scripture or the God. Right. But we'll come to any service part again in the next topic. Any other question? Amartya.
Hardware चुराई होती है because of that relative state.
हाँ,
करने के लिए नहीं चाहते, करने का क्या रिलेशन?
कौन नहीं जानता था?
बड़े भाई लोग तो आर्टिकल प्लस में
But even though he did not have a relationship, but it's not about that here, right? It's about all those people.
personality trait या वो reason था उसका भाई था so because of that ही क्या क्योंकि ऐसा तो नहीं था कि वो कुछ नहीं पिताजी या दोनों चारों थे लेकिन वो सिचुएशन किया मैं इनको कैसे लाऊंगी मेरे रिलेटिव है या मेरे फ्रेंड्स है तो बट मुझसे बोली कि तक कि अगर करंट की बात करें क्या आई डोंट थिंक सो आई एम नॉट श्योर
पैसा था क्या? That's the question, right? So even though he knew or does not know, ठीक है, actually he might be knowing at that point of time महाभारत के युद्ध के पहले और at the same time during महाभारत का युद्ध Kunti goes and meets Karna and she tells what who he is, right? Not sure whether she tells Pandava at that time or not. She did not. But चलिए ठीक है. Even if he does not know, but he has spent a lot of time with Karna. ठीक क्योंकि कर्णा को भले ही he did not have a very cordial relationship with Karna, but he has spent a lot of time. महाभारत के पहले बहुत सारे इवेंट होते हैं जहाँ कर्ण का रोल है. ठीक, आप चाहे स्वयंवर लीजिए चाहे वो वाक्षागृह वाला लीजिए, ठीक या जहाँ पे a lot of ठीक कर्ण का चीर हरण का इवेंट everywhere Karna is there. Actually, frankly, a lot of people say Karna. एक लोग हम लोग बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे थे. There was one person who came to me. मैं थे प्रभु जी थे मनीष प्रभु थे. He was asking, प्रभु जी आपको पता है कि महाभारत का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर कौन है? मैंने कहा कृष्णा. ये देखो ऊपर ही है. नहीं नहीं कृष्णा नहीं थे. मैंने कहा अच्छा ये पहली बार मैं सुन रहा हूँ. ठीक है ओके आप ही बता दो कौन थे. इट वॉज करना. ठीक. मैंने कहा हाँ जब मूवी से देखोगे तो यही होगा. ठीक. तो करना ही आपको इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर लगेगा. So a lot of people think Karna is a white guy, white matlab the most pious person. He is doing everything because of all his he was discarded, he was rejected and insulted and all those things. But in every point of time in our life we have a choice. अगर आपके कार के पीछे कोई आके ठोक देता है there is two ways. एक तो आप उससे बात करोगे थोड़ा वो करोगे ठीक है भाई एक काम करो इंश्योरेंस का नंबर लो मेरा तुम्हारा जिसकी गलती है ठीक है वेल डील विद दैट. ठीक. और पहले ही गाड़ी में एक रखा है रॉड लेके निकल के आज तो ठीक है फोड़ देंगे. देयर आर टू वेज टू डील विद दैट. फॉर एवरी सिचुएशन वी हैव टू वेज हाउ वी कैन डील विद. Right. It's on us how we want to do. If we are taking the path of aggressiveness, maybe it will not solve the problem. लड़ाई होगी और अगर आप कमजोर निकले तो probably उसकी गाड़ी तो जो हुआ आपकी गाड़ी पता नहीं कहाँ रहेगी या आप ही कहाँ रहेगी. आपके पास छोटा रॉड उसके पास बड़ा रॉड निकला. बेसबॉल बैट आओ हो जाए आज एक हाथ. ठीक. तो पता नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ पॉइंट पहुंच गए. ठीक है. So the point is, at any point of time, we have a choice. So even though Karna was insulted, he was also a scholar. He knew about what is right and wrong. Still, he chose to be side with Kaurava. And frankly, Karna was not a hero as it is portrayed a lot of places. Karna was the one who actually suggested to do the Chirharan to Dusasa. Not many people know. It was his idea. What was the point? Why? Just to get the revenge from कि स्वयंवर में मुझे भगा दिया कि I will not marry a सूतक पुत्र. So just to take a revenge, he did that. कि तुमने मेरी बेइज्जती की मैं नहीं करूँ, मैं तुम्हारी करूँगा. He is not a hero or as it is portrayed, but that's how this ज्ञान is lost. ठीक है. Any other question? So Mataji, to answer your question, yes, he might have feeling for Karna, compassion. Depending on, but it's not a compassion for one person. It was a compassion as a whole. There are millions of warriors. Karna he had or does not have doesn't matter. Right? इसके लिए specifically लिखा नहीं होगा करना के लिए compassion नहीं था इनके लिए था. आपको कहीं मिलेगा भी नहीं. But he might have compassion, but doesn't matter. Overall, he had compassion for his relative friends. क्योंकि करना के साथ he has spent childhood also. Kind of he is a friend. Any other question?
It was initiated by Karan. But जो हम लोग वैसे देखते हैं हम टीवी पे जहाँ हम देखते हैं उसके लिए याद है कि it was also initiated by जैसे द्रौपदी ने बोला कि कुछ वो मतलब वो गिर गए थे but
वो सेम स्टोरी जहाँ पे दुर्योधन जब जा रहा था तो पानी उसको ऐसा लगा. सेम स्टोरी. a lot of things connects to the same point, but then someone has to suggest, right? वो उसकी वजह से वो गई. When Duryodhan wanted to take revenge, but who suggested? Right, that is important. It was not Duryodhan who actually suggested. It was Karna who did. Right. Yes, these all connect to the same thing. They all wanted to take revenge. So when Karna suggested, Duryodhan was also happy. हाँ यही एकदम मेरे साथ भी उसने बेइज्जती की थी. Let's disrobe her and do the ultimate insult for her. Right. हाँ.
Based on his part.
हाँ correct.
This bigger sin than he just wanted to disrobe the body.
I'm not sure. अगर आप किसी को किसी के
बेइज्जती करना इसका body से, but that girl had done his birth से. इसका
वो भी तो body है, birth है body.
there is no significant
So think of a scenario. You are going into some area. There is a one person is walking, and just because he's from a poor family or say some today's caste wise, he's from some lower caste, and you just tell him, "अरे तुम तो ये हो XYZ." ठीक है, जो भी caste का नाम लेके. Against that's a lady. Against the same lady, she is going and you are disrobing her. What is the bigger page?
both are the same. Body
No, it's not same.
both are body related.
Both are body level, but you are disrobing someone in front of thousands of people.
Yes, feel like saying that's a bigger body. So I want to make her feel bad because she made me feel bad. So she's her own, what is it? Her respect is in her body. She is identifying this as her body. So I want to disrobe her. Because
So that justified disrobing because she told me you are so thankful to me.
saying both are the equally simple things. How can
No, it's not. First of all, it's not equally sinful. But even though, let's say, if it is sinful, both are sinful things. Let's say that's fine. But then everyone will pay for their karma, right? Right. But that does not justify for Karna to suggest disrobing of Draupadi. If she did some sinful activity, she will pay for sins. Karna is not a nubile guy. He is not a unlearned person that he does not know how karma works. Right. He could have said, ठीक है तुमने गलत काम किया, you will pay for it. He does not have to take a revenge. That does not at all justify this robing of Draupadi, and it's not equal sin. Right.
saying testifying?
But both are not equal sin also. Just think in the scenario, in current scenario also, you do these two things. Are these equal? You cannot say these two are equal. Every bodily platform is not the same, right? Not every sin that you are doing in the body. I'm just pinching you and I'm putting a knife in your stomach, taking your all the intestine. Both are not there. You say because both are happening on the bodily platform, both are equal. No, it's not. It is not at all, right? One will just hurt you for a few seconds, other one will liberate you. We don't know, right? So it's not equal.
Versus killing an elephant. Like, both are bodily platform, but you cannot justify killing an elephant versus
अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे तो फिर तो हम वी आर जस्टिफाइंग द नॉन वेजिटेरियन लॉजिक. आखिर पौधे में भी तो लाइफ होता है. आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट one point of time. I used to put this just because they cannot scream. You are saying that they don't have life and you can eat them. Consciousness differs, right? Why we say human platform is the platform where you can actually have the choice whether you want to. We are called tatastha energy, marginal energy, because we are on the shore. Whether we can fall or we can go towards God or we can fall towards Maya. You have to serve one or other. Think in this life, if you are not serving Krishna, you are serving Maya. Okay. So we are called like that, tatastha energy, marginal energy. So the choice is on us. Not all bodily things are exactly same. Not all things are the same thing. It is similar category. It is all body platform, but both are not same. So eating plant, eating a cow is not the same. Right? Both have different consciousness. When you evolve through the this ladder of evolution, the consciousness keeps getting increased. One single prokaryote does not have the same consciousness as multicellular body DNA. Right. हाँ, आपका क्वेश्चन
रिवेंज नहीं देता
हम महाभारत पे ही आगे बाकी
left it and revealed that okay, I will not take the review. But then Arjuna and Arjuna is also fighting because he wants to avenge that this doping of Draupadi, right? So,
fighting happened for avenging. Fighting happened to get their right. When Krishna went to them and he tells after a lot of negotiation he tells them give us just 5 village and we'll be happy. अगर वो 5 village दे देते तो आपको लगता है कि fight होता कभी नहीं होता. So it was not really to avenge that event. It was to get their right. Because at the end of 13 years, right, it was promised that you will get your kingdom back. It was not given.
like
Lot of reasons. Absolutely, lot of reasons.
she took about that okay after that.
Again, a lot of events come because this is all Leela of Bhagwan. Right, it won't be one single reason. There are hundreds of reasons. But in case अगर वो 5 विलेज दे देते वो भी नहीं होता क्योंकि भगवान को पता था दैट विल नॉट हैपन क्योंकि होता तो महाभारत कैसे होता दिस इज ऑल हिज लीला राइट हम यहाँ क्लास में कैसे बैठते भगवान भगवत गीता का उपदेश कैसे देते राइट सो दिस इज ऑल हिज लीला बट इट ऑल स्टार्टेड विद दिस and converging to the same point of Mahabharata. There can be hundreds of reasons, but one reason is absolute reason you cannot say. Any other question? We'll finish, we'll come to the matter.
You're serving Maya.
Yes.
Maya Krishna के अंदर आता
Maya भी कृष्णा के अंदर आती है.
तो we day to day life में so what are the serving manager is serving like CEO तो वो सब कुछ connected है तो indirectly both are also serving CEO
ठीक.
so
Correct. I'll come to the point. Very valid question. Right. अब मैं आपका सेम एग्जांपल लूंगा. I give this example a couple of times. कि आप एक कंपनी में काम करते हैं. You are living in Hyderabad. ठीक. Your family, your wife, your children are living in Bangalore. Last 5 years you are trying कि transfer हो जाए but नहीं हो रहा है. It's not happening from last 5 years. And this is the most important decision for your life. आपकी वाइफ करी अगर अगले 2 महीने में ट्रांसफर नहीं लिया तो फॉरगेट मी ये पेपर्स है साइन इट वी आर गोइंग डिफरेंट वे दैट बिकम दिस क्रूशियल द बिगेस्ट लाइफ डिसीजन सडनली यू कम टू नो अरे ये जो सीईओ ये तो मेरा रिश्तेदार निकला ठीक नाउ वुड यू फॉलो दैट लैडर कि भाई पहले मैं ट्रांसफर का रिक्वेस्ट एचआर को डालूं मैनेजर को डालूं फिर उनसे ऊपर एचआर हेड के पास जाएगा फिर एचआर जो एचआरओ सी एचआरओ है उसके पास जाएगा देन इट विल गो फॉर अप्रूवल शुड वी वेट फॉर दिस लैडर और भाई तुम मेरे रिलेटिव हो थोड़ी सी हेल्प करते हुए 5 साल से काम करो व्हाट वुड यू डू सीधे जाओगे राइट व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इन आवर लाइफ व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग व्हिच वी आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम इन दिस लाइफ सबसे बड़ा क्या प्रॉब्लम है हमारी लाइफ द साइकिल ऑफ बर्थ एंड डेथ एंड हु कैन एक्चुअली डू दिस माया देवी कैन शी डू कैन माया देवी टेक अस आउट फ्रॉम द साइकिल ऑफ बर्थ एंड डेथ नो देन who we should reach that is your answer right you are indirectly serving the god but then you will be indirectly serving for many lives to the god you don't know what next life you will be maybe एक चींटी बन गया maybe you will not be able to serve so life तो नहीं पता अगले लाइफ में क्या होगी तो एटलीस्ट इस लाइफ में urgency should be there कि यही लाइफ है we don't know what will happen next life let's utilize this life and get away rather than following the whole cycle manager director HR ये वो फिर तो राम नाम सर पे पता नहीं कब तक होता ही है right any other question we'll finish and we'll come to the next topic वाचाकल्पतरु कृपा सिंधु भैरव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की जय श्री राम पाठ की जय हरे गौर हरि All right. So from that time we started